Giiko kia MCA wa Mlango Kubwa Patricia Mutheu gutharikirwo ni mabithaa borithi bunge-ini ya Nairobi muthenya wa ira ni gutumurite urugari gatagati-ini kanyitite mina Atongoria ikiro itiganite. Minista wa ugitiri wa thiini Dr Fred Matiangi agikumithia Giiko giki. Hamwe na uguo Matiangi urio kwaragia igongona-ini ria kurugura ibuku ria uria wari munene wa borithi Joseph Boynet ni athite MCAs othe a kaunti-ini ya Nairobi gucokia mishinga yao hamwe na marua ma kumetikiria gukorwo na mishinga thutha wa mishinga 14 kuonekana thiini wa bunge ya kaunti iyo.
I've asked the Inspector General of Police today with the regional security team in Nairobi to disarm everyone around that county assembly. Anyone who holds firearms, there could be people. We already collected 14 guns. You know, let's tell the public the truth. The 14 guns we collected from around that environment, the level of criminality that has gone on, I suspect there could probably be more firearms. So Mr. Njira and the regional security team investigate and find out whether there are any other people who could be armed other than the 14 that we withdrew. And let them tell the Firearm Licensing and Control Board to cancel all the licenses. We withdraw those firearms from them.
Bunge ya kaunti ya Nairobi riu ikionekana kumurikwo na ndurumaini nene thutha wa gukorwo iri na mitugo ya gututhura ngui mahinda kwa mahinda, na thirikari riu yugite honge cia ugitiri ni ciguthurima na njira nene hakuhi mihango ya bunge ino.
We cannot go on this way. There are decisions that need to be made, and I am now ready myself to seek the guidance of the National Security Council on this matter, on policing the County Assembly of Nairobi and what is going to happen. It's no longer an assembly, it's actually a war zone. Every time there is constant fighting going on, people beating each other and so on. And I'm asking, surely, if I had powers to do it, I would not be talking about this. I would have acted long time ago.
Na kugerera ndumiriri iria rekereirio ni mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi Nuldin Haji egie ndeto ino, ruhonge rwa uthuthuria rwa DCI na rwa kunyabara uruti wira wa borithi rwa IPOA ni ciathitwo gutigirira ni ciathuthuria na gutacukiria aria maramurikirwo makinya ma kiwatho. Riri na atongoria matiganite ari hamwe na atumia atongoria bunge-ini ya bururi undu umwe na ruhonge rwa FIDA makwiyumiritie gukumithia Giiko giki na njira nene. Ndugamano ya muthenya wa ira iraumirire thutha wa gikundi kia MCAs na aria mari na itanya ria kuhagura Speaker Beatrice Elachi marekinyirie cikaro-ini cia bunge ino na maragirio kuingira, na uteti ukionekana guthie na mbere kurika wigie ndeto ino. Amu gikundi kingi kia MCAs aria maratetera Elachi ni meyumiritie na kuga ati ni mehariirie kung'ethanira na arunao. Giki ari kionereria kia ati ndugamano guku yaya guthie na mbere na kurika. No ona gukiri uguo, Giiko giki gia borithi gikiongerera hari ingi iria cikoretwo cikiyumiria makiria muno thikũ-inĩ cia mbere cia mukana wa curfew, kuri ona amwe andu makwire na njira citari na utheri moko-ini ma borithi. Mwihoko munene riu ari gutigirira ati thirikari ni gutigirira borithi ni mathingatithia ihoto cia mundu makiruta wira wao. Giribotera Kameme TV, retorako ni Wanjiru wa Foro.